Long range is great, but you need fast, easy charging for real freedom. Tesla solved this by building the supercharger network, ultra-fast chargers along highways and in cities. A supercharger can add hundreds of miles in about 20-30 minutes, turning charging into a quick coffee break. The car's navigation plans your route, tells you where to stop, and even handles payment automatically. No apps, no hassle, just plug in and charge. By owning the network, Tesla ensures reliability and a seamless experience for drivers. This exclusive ecosystem gives Tesla owners peace of mind on any journey. You're never far from a fast, dependable charge. The supercharger network unlocked true road trip freedom for electric vehicles. It's a key reason Tesla leads the EV revolution. With every new station, the world gets a little smaller, and a lot more electric. Tesla made long-distance electric travel practical, easy, and fun. How did Tesla disrupt a century-old industry? It comes down to relentless innovation and control. Tesla operates like a tech company, constantly pushing boundaries in batteries, software, and manufacturing. They do almost everything in-house: design, software, batteries, charging, and even direct sales. This vertical integration gives them unmatched quality and customer experience. Tesla's brand inspires passion, owners become ambassadors, and the cars speak for themselves. They built loyalty without traditional advertising, letting performance and mission drive the story. Early entry gave Tesla a head start, collecting years of real-world data on EVs and autonomy. While others hesitated, Tesla kept improving, learning from every car on the road. Their boldness and speed left competitors scrambling to catch up. Tesla's recipe: innovate fast, control the experience, and build a movement. That's how they became the leader in electric vehicles. The rest of the industry is still playing catch-up.